Today, we are diving into a major event in India's defense and aviation sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Prime Minister of Spain, Mr. Pedro Sanchez, have jointly inaugurated the Tata Aircraft Complex for manufacturing C-295 aircraft in Vadodara, Gujarat. This is a big milestone for both nations.
Absolutely, it's a significant step for India's Make in India initiative. This complex will manufacture C-295 aircraft, essential for the Indian Air Force, and it's a collaboration between Tata and Airbus. This not only boosts our defense capabilities but also gives a huge push to our local economy by creating jobs and supporting MSME.
It's interesting to note that this is Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez's first visit to India. How do you think this event impacts India-Spain relations?
This event really showcases the growing partnership between India and Spain. Collaborating on such a significant project sets a new direction for bilateral relations. It highlights mutual trust and cooperation, especially in the defense sector.
Prime Minister Modi mentioned that the factory is a reflection of the new work culture of New India. What do you think he meant by that?
Modi was emphasizing India's efficiency and speed in executing projects. The foundation stone for this factory was laid in October 2022, and it's already ready for production. This rapid development showcases India's commitment to eliminating delays and enhancing productivity.
That's indeed impressive. Modi also quoted Spanish poet Antonio Machado, saying that as we start treading towards the goal, the path towards the goal is created automatically. How does this relate to India's defense manufacturing ecosystem?
Modi's quote underscores the progress India has made in defense manufacturing. A decade ago, India was heavily reliant on imports for defense equipment. Today, thanks to strategic decisions and initiatives, India has developed a vibrant defense industry, with increased private sector participation and more efficient public sector units.
Speaking of strategic decisions, Modi mentioned the establishment of defense corridors in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. How have these corridors impacted the defense sector?
The defense corridors have infused new energy into the sector by attracting investments and fostering innovation. They have created a conducive environment for defense startups and MSMEs, contributing to the overall growth of the industry.
Modi also highlighted the IDEX scheme, which has driven the growth of around 1,000 defense startups. Can you elaborate on this?
The IDEX, Innovation for Defense Excellence, scheme encourages innovation and technology development in the defense sector. It provides a platform for startups to collaborate with the defense industry, leading to the creation of cutting-edge solutions and boosting India's defense exports.
It's fascinating to see how these initiatives are transforming the sector. Modi also emphasized the importance of skilling and job creation. How will the Airbus Tata factory contribute to this?
The factory will create thousands of jobs and support the indigenous manufacturing of 18,000 aircraft parts. This will provide immense opportunities for MSMEs across India and help develop new skills and industries.
Modi mentioned that India is one of the biggest suppliers of parts for the world's major aircraft companies. How does this new aircraft factory fit into that narrative?
This factory will further strengthen India's position as a key player in the global aviation industry. By manufacturing C-295 aircraft, India will not only meet its own defense needs but also export these aircraft to other countries, showcasing its capabilities on the world stage.
Modi also talked about the unprecedented growth of India's aviation sector in the last decade. What are some of the key factors driving this growth?
Several factors have contributed to this growth, including increased air connectivity to small cities, the development of the MRO maintenance, repair, and overhaul sector, and the rising demand for air travel. Additionally, the government's policies and initiatives have created a favorable environment for the aviation industry.
Modi mentioned that various Indian airlines have ordered 1,200 new aircraft. How will the newly inaugurated factory play a role in this?
The factory will play a crucial role in designing and manufacturing civil aircraft to meet the needs of Indian airlines. This will reduce dependency on imports and support the Make in India initiative.
Vadodara is becoming a major hub of aviation manufacturing in India. What makes this city an ideal location for such projects?
Vadodara has a strong industrial base with companies in sectors like pharma, engineering, chemicals, and power. It also has Gate Shakti University, which prepares professionals for various industries. These factors make Vadodara an ideal location for aviation manufacturing.
Modi also highlighted the cultural connection between India and Spain. How does this event strengthen that bond?
The cultural connection between India and Spain is significant. Events like this not only strengthen economic and defense ties but also promote cultural exchange. The decision to celebrate 2026 as the India-Spain Year of Culture, Tourism, and AI is a testament to this bond.
Thank you for this insightful discussion. It's clear that the inauguration of the Tata Aircraft Complex is a significant milestone for India and Spain.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to discuss this important event.
To our listeners, what are your thoughts on this collaboration between India and Spain? Do you think it will lead to more joint projects in the future? Share your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.